Why children's abilities to learn new languages is better than that of adults is relatively unknown. It has been hypothesized that this is due to an overall higher implicit learning ability within children. That is to say that the regions of the brain involved in primarily explicit learning are less developed, such as the hippocampus, the prefrontal cortex, and the temporal parietal cortex. This theory rests on the idea that within more mature brains, explicit learning interferes with implicit learning. Previous research has tested this by inducing a state of cognitive fatigue in the regions of the brain involved in explicit memory. And while difficult memory tasks and high intensity exercise has been shown to improve implicit language learning, the effect when these activities are simultaneously performed is relatively unknown. This research seeks to investigate if simultaneously performed aerobic exercise and working memory tasks can increase implicit language learning, otherwise known as statistical learning in adolescence. To do this, I've divided up participants into two groups, one of which exercises on a stationary bike for 23 minutes at 70 to 80% max heart rate while completing a dual end back test, which is my working memory task. The other group sits for 23 minutes, and afterwards both groups are tested on their ability to learn and recognize new words via the statistical learning test. I've overcome hurdles in my research, like creating an effective measure for exercise intensity and finding a cognitive task which is both engaging and completable while biking. As of now, I have not noticed any significant differences within participants and their statistical learning.